Good morning, good peoples of the internet. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, plutopassionfruit, and I'm here with another video that y'all did not ask for. And today, is my address on here? It's album unboxing time. I love how the one day I have to record, it decides to, I don't know, ferociously rain on the one day that I have to record. Also, excuse my absence. I didn't mean it at all. I'm just so busy. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm sorry. So. The good boys of TXT done came back with an album, and I bought 2 of them signed. I got 2 of them. Ooh, that's loud. Alrighty. Ooh, I'm so excited. So, the pop R&B boys are back. I'm so excited. I bought 2 of the same version. I got the Sanctuary Night version signed. I'm gonna get the other ones at Target because I want my extra photo cards, okay? But I wanted these ones signed because I thought they looked the cutest. I was like, give me 2 of them. Ooh, they came facing downwards. That means I can't see them. Ooh. So before we get started, I think okay, what am I thinking? Who do I want? Whose signature do I want? Because it's like out of 5. So after some long and hard thought, we're rooting for Taehyun or Subin. I either want Birthday Neighbor or Big Sue. Okay, so we about to get number 1 open. I honestly low-key kind of forgot how these look for real. I can only see the back. Plastic's getting ripped. We're getting somewhere. What? I can't even see. Who signed it? Okay, boom. This is nice. The first one. Well, before I look at the album, I'm seeing the additives. So let's go through these real quick. We got a postcard from Sue. Big Sue. Make some noise for Big Sue, okay? Make some noise down in the comments right now. I want to hear it, okay? What is this? A diamond, a crystal? Ooh. Oh, I like that. I didn't know this was in there. Look at this. Okay. Viewfinder, do your job. Hey, yeah. Look at it. It's also like a little crystal. I like it. Picasso. We got the photo card. Let's see who's on the photo card. Who is that? Big Sue! I got a Sue album right here, except for Yontra. But I got a Sue album right here. And then we got this CD. Oh, this is pretty. Can y'all see it? Okay, there we go. Y'all see? It's so pretty. Okay, next. Okay, we got another postcard. Okay, get into it. Sanctuary. I love it. I like it a lot. The sticker pack. Okay, we love a good sticker package. And then we got the lyric book. I want to say this is the lyric book because it's got the titles on the back. All right. Like I said, I don't have a lot of time, so we got to get through this. And then we have a poster. I'm sorry. Excuse my excitement. I'm just so glad the pop R&B boys are back. And that's the end. That's it. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna put this stuff back. And now for this signed album. Who did we get? Wait a minute. Where did they put the signature? I thought this was supposed to be signed. Y'all, there's nothing here. What? It's okay. Yeah. Because we got another one. I'm actually so confused. Number two. Okay, once again, taking this out. Okay. Another postcard from Big Soob. You gotta love it. What? Another crystal of Yeonjun. Can y'all see that? Yeah, I already showed y'all anyways. Photo card number 2. Another photo card of Big Soob. And yeah, everything else is the same as well. Alrighty, guys. It's time for the album ranking. Like I said, the pop R&B boys are back. They came back with this album and they ate. Yeah, it's very hard to make a ranking on this just because all of these songs are so good. All of these songs are just really good. Okay? Number 1 by far in my book. Mind you, this is all my opinion. I don't want nobody coming for me in the comments. Y'all can make your own list. Y'all can do whatever y'all want. But this is my list right now. And it can always change. You never know. 41 Winks by far Okay? Because when I heard the Heaven preview, I was like, oh, okay. I feel like we about to get Fairy Shampoo Part 2. You know, like the pop R&B boys are back. That's what I meant. 41 Winks has me in a chokehold. Okay. Number 2, Over the Moon. Because they over the moon, they over the stars, over the moon. Eats down. Third on the list, Resist. Okay, let me tell y'all something about that one. That one made me get up and bust the move. That one made me feel like I'm in the club. Cause in the club we're all fam. That one made me get up and bust a move. You know what I'm saying? Like, brings me back into my 2010, 2015 self. You know what I'm saying? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Boom. And then, next song on the list, Higher Than Heaven. Again, bringing me back to my 2010, 2015 self. It made me want to hit one of them Demi Lovato poses like, I'm a rocker, I'm a roller. Tinnitus? It make me want to get up and bust a move. Like, I want to hit one of them rock and roll Demi Lovato type poses. You know what I'm saying? Next is Danger. It just made me feel dangerous. You know what I'm saying? Are you hearing me? And last but not least, we have Heaven. Heaven was the next one. Heaven's a great song, y'all. I don't appreciate that it's that low on the list. But the other ones just outranked them, in my opinion. In my humble opinion. That y'all probably didn't even ask for. But yes, they made a great, let me tell y'all something. The boys done made a great non-skip album. I feel like that P had a lot of spit in it. I'm sorry. If I don't hear not one of these songs live, I'm gonna be upset. I'm gonna be so upset. Anyways, we might be back, maybe, because I'm telling y'all, I'll be busy as heck. And I hope the ambiance is great. I forgot it was raining the whole time. I'm hoping y'all enjoyed this video. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel so we can keep growing. Sorry for my absence. I really do appreciate everybody and their mamas that stayed around. I'm so appreciative. I'm just so tired from working. I'm hoping this video can come out anytime soon. Hoping and praying. But I will see y'all in the next video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.